Today we are going to sow some apple seeds. This is the apple seeds I sowed in shallow water, soaked in shallow water for a day. This is the bag, and I bought the crisp apple, cosmic crisp apple. So we're going to open the bag. Since the bag already have a hose, air hose, and so we don't have to punch hole for drainage anymore. I'm going to just fold the edges and then make it flat at the bottom. And then we're going to fill it with soil. I use potting soil. These days it's very cold outside, so I move my garden chores indoor now. Since it's only the seeds, we don't have to put too deep the soil. And then I'm going to use a marker, or you can use pencil to poke a couple holes. And then I'm going to put the apple seeds in the hole and then cover it. Leave a little space in between the seeds, and then I'm going to use just cover the seeds a little bit. I'm going to water it a little bit, just a little bit. And then we're going to unfold. Since there's a zip, this is a Ziploc bag, so there's a zip on the top. So you're going to zip half of it, and then leave it like that. Since the bag have the holes around it, we can use it to sow in winter. So when the temperature go up, it getting warmer, we already have seedlings that we can plant in the ground. Thank you for watching. If you like the idea, please subscribe.